Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a first impressions. These are like one of my favorite videos to do. Yeah, I tested out a bunch of new products today. I had PR boxes just stacking up for like weeks, so I am using those products in today's video. And there also is a giveaway at the end of this video, so if you guys want to see what I'm giving away, all there is to enter and all that fun stuff. Make sure you guys just keep on watching until the end of the video. Okay, without further ado, if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look right here using all new products, make sure you guys just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you know from the intro and the title, today we'll be doing a first impressions. Just wanted to say it is so goddamn hot in this room right now, and I can't turn on the AC because it's gonna make so much noise and you're gonna hear it. So I'm currently dying. Also, it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, but I am. So yeah, anyways, let's get into this. Oh my god, I'm literally dying right now. This is no joke. Plus the lights are not helping. Well, I already went ahead and did one eye off camera just to save some time. I also didn't know what I was gonna do. But the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using today, I actually already tested it on this eye and I already swatched it. I could not help myself, so it already looks kind of beat up already. But this is the BH Cosmetics Festival eyeshadow palette, and when I saw this, I fell in love. I love all of the shades in here. They have so many like bright colors in here. These eyeshadows are bomb. All the mattes are so creamy and buttery and blendable, and they're all super pigmented, and all the shimmers are amazing. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Candy with a K. It's this kind of peachy color right here, and that's gonna be transition color. Actually, this is my second time filming this video. Started doing this look. I wanted to do like a colorful look, and I used like these. I used this little region right here, okay? I wanted to do something colorful today, but it didn't end up working out, so I took it off. It looked horrible. So I'm just gonna start off with that shade on a Morphe E27 brush. I'm pretty sure it's discontinued, but they did come out with a brush exactly like this. I just don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. I'm honestly so over everything right now. I cannot stand heat. Fucking dying. Do you guys see how like dewy I look right now? Like, it's that hot. It's that hot. I'm just gonna take this in my crease and kind of start working it up and out towards the brow right here. And you guys have seen me do this technique a lot, but I love doing like a little wing down eyeshadow look, you feel? It's weird because I never actually do wings. I did a wing today, but I never actually do wings, but I always wing out my eyeshadow, like no matter what. It looks like softer on me. And I feel like sometimes if I do like a black wing, it looks too harsh with like my hair color and my light eyes and stuff. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Escape, which is this kind of burnt orange color, and I'm just gonna take that directly into my crease, as this is gonna be like the main crease color. And again, I'm just gonna stamp it out here and kind of do circular motions to start blending it up and then out towards the brow. It helps if you turn your head kind of like this when you do it. I feel like you can just see the shape you want to do a lot better. And then I'm just going to go in with this dark brown shade. This is actually a pretty simple makeup look, but yeah, I'm going to take this shade. This is called Hipster, and I'm going to take that on a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to apply it right out here, and also just flicking this up. Oh shit, that just really got away from me there. Wow. Okay, and then for the lid color, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which I am obsessed with. It's called Solstice. I'm actually gonna spritz my brush with this shade since it is kind of more dry than the other shimmer shades in this palette. Notice this shade kind of flakes off if you don't wet it. It just kind of has more like a dry texture. This is just gonna go all over the lid. I'm mainly, oh my god, wow, I'm mainly focusing this though just on this inner part of the lid. Okay, so once that is all over the lid, I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing real quick, and I'm not using any new eyeliner. I'm just gonna use my favorite. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. I'm gonna do a pretty big wing because we're gonna be smoking it out, so you want to leave room, you want to leave some space so you can smoke it out, you know? And I'm just gonna grab a black eyeshadow. You can use any black. I'm gonna take Noir from Anastasia. This is kind of like a shader brush for the lid, but I like to use it for this. This is a Makeup Shack T58 brush. It's perfect to get like on the sides of the liner. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit though. The liner is still a little wet, so I'm just gonna let that dry for a hot minute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna smoke out at the edge of the liner like that. Okay, so I did get a bunch of fallout from that black, but it's fine. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Sand. I'm gonna take it on this flat little shader brush. This is a Sigma E15 brush, and I'm just gonna clean up the edges of the eyeliner and the eyeshadow with this. Oh my god, I'm sorry you guys, I just cannot do it. I turn on the AC. I know it's so loud and annoying, but I'm just gonna talk louder. Hopefully you can still hear me. It was really bad. It was really bad there. Oh my god. But yeah, that's pretty much the eyeshadow. It's really easy, like I said. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my other eyelash. This is the Lily Lashes in Mykonos. I already have one on, so I'm just gonna do this off camera, and I'll be right back. My discount code is TINA for 15% off. Okay guys, so for my primer, I have this new Wet n Wild Photo Focus priming. So for my primer today, I have this new Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer water. Is this primer water? Yeah. Primer water spray. These usually don't do much for me. Like even the Smashbox one, I just don't notice a difference. I don't know. Bye. Also, I'm hot and I want to spray something on my fucking face right now. Did I just see a bug? What was that? Cool. But for my foundation today, I'm actually going to be trying out the new Covergirl foundation. I'm pretty sure there are 40 shades in this collection, which is freaking amazing. I mean, I feel like that should just be a given. Like, it should have already been a given to have, like, enough shades to fit anyone, but kind of sucks that we have to, like, praise brands for actually doing that when it should have just been already done. Anyways, that is not what we're going to talk about today. Okay, I have two shades here. I have L80 and L30. I'm not sure which one. Let me test them on the back of my hand. Okay, so L30 looks a little bit too orange for me, so I think I'm gonna go in with L80, which is more neutral. Actually, I'm gonna look up what this foundation is meant to do because I need to know what to expect. This is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Also, I like that it has a pump and they're still managing to make it really, really affordable even though it has the pump. I think this is like $8 or $7. It just depends on where you go. Okay, so it says it's a 12-hour wear foundation, pore minimizing, oil control, transfer resistant. It has 40 shades. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it and we'll see what we get. I'm not really the biggest fan. Okay, I don't know why I'm still talking. I'm just gonna apply it and then talk. But I'm not really the biggest fan of matte foundations. Oh, okay, that was too much. The coverage is really good. Right off the bat, I definitely applied too much. I did like half a pump and I feel like a little bit of it already went a pretty long way. Ooh, I have a feeling I'm gonna like this a lot. The coverage is already super nice. It looks really dewy like right when you apply it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna dry match. Maybe I just applied too much, wait. Okay, so I'm only gonna do like that much for this side of my face and I feel like that'll cover. Yeah, oh my god. Literally the tiniest amount goes the longest way with this foundation. Color actually matches me perfectly. Okay, so it's looking pretty dewy right now and it still feels a little bit wet, so maybe I have to give it like a few minutes to dry into my skin and turn matte because it is supposed to be a matte foundation. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a minute and then I'll be right back to see when it dries matte and how long it takes to dry matte. Okay, so I'm back. It did take like 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to dry. It feels dry on my face, but I feel like that's a good thing because it gives you time to work on your concealer or your cream contour, whatever it is you do. I feel like, for example, you guys know I've never really been the biggest fan of the Fenty foundation because it does dry so fast. You have to work really quick with it, so by the time you go in with like your concealer and stuff, it makes it harder to blend on top. So I like that it takes a while to dry because you do have time to work on your other stuff. For my concealer today, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination concealer. This is in the shade Light. They sent like a little mini one. It was like a whole little bag of like mini versions of their product and I fucking love mini stuff. It's so cute. Yeah, I don't know actually how to apply this because it's like a tube. I think I'm just gonna actually no, we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna put it on my beauty blender. I actually haven't heard anything about this concealer, so I don't know how much to go in with. I did like that much. Okay, this is a really thick concealer. Holy shit. Oh my god, this has like the best coverage I've seen in a concealer, and I literally use like so little of this. At least I know for next time when I use this to not go in with that much. Holy shit. Also, this shade is really light on me, but it's fine. Okay, it is really glowy looking underneath the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and set that right now. I don't know how fast this crease is, so I'm gonna set it right away. This is my Patrick Star MAC powder. I don't have a new powder to use, so I'm just gonna use a regular one, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and set my entire face. I don't know if it's the shade of the concealer, but something about it brightened up my under eyes so much. Like, I feel like my skin looks amazing today. I really like these products so far. I feel like there hasn't been one thing that I didn't like. I have these two new Morphe face palettes. By the way, I love their new packaging. It feels sleek. It feels like money, you know? We love her. So this is the 8L palette, and this one is the 8H. I'm definitely gonna go for this one. This is the 8L palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here for my bronzer. This is the shade Debutante, and I'm gonna tap it off because I don't know if these are like crazy pigmented or what. It's like the right amount of pigmented. I'm actually liking these a lot. They're blending on really smoothly. I don't know if it's the foundation or just the bronzer. It's probably both, but yeah, love. Okay, so this one actually has the same two shades. This is the other palette. They have the same two shades that I just used in it, but I feel like I'm gonna like these highlighters better than that one. I think I'm gonna go in with this highlighter shade right here, which is called Beam. Yeah, I'm gonna take my Anastasia highlighting brush. This is the A23. Ooh, I don't think I've ever used a Morphe highlighter before. This is really nice. Oh my god, that is so stunning. Oh my god, that's amazing. What the fuck? I love this. I don't have a new blush today, and I don't think I want to use blush, so I'm just not. Okay guys, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line off camera, and then I'll be right back so we can do our lips. Our lips, what? Okay guys, so now on to lips. Makeup Forever actually just came out with these new pencils. They sent it in this little brush case, and it says Tina on it. Oh, fucking cute. Yeah, so here it is. It's a huge collection, and basically the thing about these that is really cool is that you can use it on your eyes, lips, face, eyebrows. These are basically like multi-purpose pencils. So I'm gonna use it on my lips today. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with that. This one is completely sepia 602. And I'm gonna go in with this lipstick from Anastasia. This is one of their like matte cream lipstick formulas, and this is in the shade Nude. It's literally the perfect nude. You guys, something about this background color always washes me out. Like, I always either look like green, pink, or orange whenever I use this background. It's freaking irritating. Get your shit together, fam. Get it together. But yeah, that is it for today's video. For today's giveaway, I'll be giving away the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And can we just talk about this packaging for a second? Amazing. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. It is a bunch of colored highlighters. These are all super stunning, but you guys know that colored highlighters aren't really my thing. I've said this many times before. I just never really use them. So I'm going to be giving it away today to one of you guys. So the first rule to enter is just to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The second rule is to give this video a thumbs up down below. And then the third rule is to turn on your post notifications if you guys don't know what that is or where it is. Basically, it's the little bell button right next to the subscribe button, and that will notify you every single time that I upload. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that, alright? So once you are finished doing those first 3 things, all you have to do is comment done, and that is the last rule to enter. And go ahead and comment your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, your email, Snapchat, whatever it is, wherever I can contact you guys if you won. And as always, this giveaway is open internationally, and the winner will be picked at random a week from now. I'm gonna go ahead and message you guys if you won. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's first impressions. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.